How's that, Barry? Good! 2, 3, 4, 5, up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lengthen. 3, 2, 1, now! Put some weight on your paddles, mixed nuts! There you go! Right there! Right there! Heads up! I want 10 big fucking strokes! Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and finish! Now up! Up! That's it, mixed nuts! Right there! Own it! Own it! Take it! That's it! I love it! Let it run! Good race, ladies and gentlemen. I think you won it. I won't say anything officially. Unofficially, you won the race. That was a great race, mix. That's way, way, way better start than that last race. Way better start. Check it lightly everywhere. Good, and relax. Right side, keep checking. Okay, same deal as last time, guys. Throw your ropes out. Hop out from the middle with your seat partner, and then we'll have a chat up at the tent. Good work, everybody. Oh, remember the with your partner part. I say it for a reason.
Every time.
Every time.